Hello everyone, my name is Priyanka Jha and I welcome you all to the Zenith Educational Point. So we run a coaching center in Muzaffarpur, Bihar. We also provide online and offline classes for various subjects starting from 5th grade up to 12th grade. We have one of the best faculties specifically for mathematics. The institute is run by Mr. Mukesh Kumar Jha and he is PGT mathematics teacher. If you enroll for a class for him, we can make sure that your child falls in love with mathematics. My name is Priyanka Jha and I teach English up to 12th grade starting from 8th grade, and I'm also a commerce faculty. So in today's video, I will be covering one very important topic for the students of class 11th. They many a times students start preparing, but when it comes to knowing the examination pattern, the question pattern, they baffle. So to clear out the confusion in the air, I'm making this video for you only, so that when you start preparing, you have a crystal clear idea of how the questions will be thrown at you. Okay, so let's get started. So as you all must be aware, I have already uploaded one video on your entire syllabus, which means what you have to study, what is your whole syllabus, what will be there in your literature section, grammar section, and as well as writing section. So depending upon those points, your entire examination questions pattern is basically subdivided. Basically your question paper pattern will be divided into two parts, part A and part B. Okay, I will just and both the parts carries equal marks, which means both are of 40 marks. We will know how these 40 marks are subdivided. If the number is not visible to you, I will take the number once again. Excuse me. I will write down the number to you at the below also. That is 9430664535. We have also our alternate number, that is 9431474573. You can call us, contact us, message us on either of the number. We will be reachable to you. Let's go back to the syllabus pattern. That is the part A and the part B. Part A is again divided into sub parts. The first part is of unseen passage. A completely new passage will be given to you, and it will be 2 in number. Pardon me for the noise, you can completely ignore it and focus on the content. So there will be 2 passages, and each passage, one passage, that is the first passage, will carry 8 marks and the second passage will carry 10 marks. So all total from the comprehension part, how much marks is devoted? That is 18 marks. Next portion will be of grammar. 8 marks for grammar. I have already told you what you have to study in your grammar section. Every questions almost from all these pairs will be covered under this 8 marks. Next portion is literature. Questions will be from Hornbill, snapshots, prose plus poem. Both will be covered. Questions from both the portions will be asked. And how much marks? 14 marks will be covered from here. So all total it comes to 40 marks. Okay, and let's go ahead with the second part. This unseen passage is basically the reading part. Okay, similarly under the part B also we have one reading activity, and that is note making and summary. Note making will be of 5 marks and this will be of 3 marks. Again, mind it, CBSE is very extremely strict regarding its word limits. So you have to be very clear how many words you are using for how much marks question. Suppose for 5 marks you are supposed you are supposed to write under 120 to 150 words, and for 3 marks it should be within 50 words. You can exceed the limit by maximum 5 words, but not beyond that. If you go below this word limit, marks will be deducted, and if you go beyond this word limit, then also the marks will be deducted. So very careful with your content and number of words you are using. Let's go ahead with the second part, that is writing part. Now what will be asked under the writing section? You have to write notice, articles, you might be asked to make posters, reports, speech, debates, advertisements. These all things will be covered under the writing section, and all total 16 marks are given to it. 8 marks to reading, 16 marks to writing, and remaining 3 is again for literature. That is from hornbill and snapshots questions will come. It can be extract questions, like suppose an portion and a sentence has been extracted from the prose, and you will be asked questions on the basis of that, like who said it to whom, what does it infer, its meaning, its interpretation. Such questions come, and 16 marks for this. So total 40. Okay, so you can take a screenshot of this so that you have a record of it. Also, if you want to join our English classes for 11th and 12th, you can give us a call on this number, that is 9430 664535. I'm repeating the number once again for you, that is 9430 664535. Fees is, you do not have to worry about it. We have kept it minimum as much as we can, so that no student has to hamper their studies due to the money. So to enroll for the courses, we are already having the batches running. To enroll for the courses, do give us a call on this number. Thanks for watching.